Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Adjasa. I will show you how to make the instant noodle. We need instant noodle, scissors, and boiling water. First, you need to open the cup and take the seasoning and cut. Then pour into the cup. Then pour the boiled water into the cup and close it. Then wait for 3 minutes. Finally, the instant noodle is ready to serve. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Iwan. Today I will show you how to make instant noodle. First, we need instant noodle, scissors, and boiled water. First, open the instant noodle, cut the seasoning and pour the seasoning into the cup, and pour the boiled water into the cup. After that, closing instant noodle and waiting for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, finally instant noodle ready.
Today I will show you how to make instant noodle. We need instant noodle, scissors, and boiled water. First, open the cup and take seasoning and cut and pour in the cup. And then take a boiled water and pour the cup and closing, and then wait for 3 minutes, and finally instant noodle ready to eat. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Nada. Today I will show you how to make the instant noodle. We need instant noodle, seasoning, and hot water. First step, open the cup, and take seasoning and cut and pour into instant noodle. Next, pour the hot water. Wait 3 minutes, and finally the hot water is ready to serve. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Iwan. Today I will show you how to make the instant noodle. We need instant noodle, scissors, and boiled water. First, open the cup. Take seasoning, cut and pour into the instant noodles, and then pour the water. Just wait 3 minutes, and then instant noodle ready. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rafa. Today I will show you how to make instant noodle. You need instant noodle, and boiled water. The first step is open the instant noodle, take the seasoning and cut and pour into the cup. Next, pour the boiled water and close. After that, waiting for 3 minutes, and finally the instant noodle ready to serve. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I will show you how to make the instant noodle. We need scissors, boiled water, and instant noodle. First, open the cup, take the seasoning and cut the seasoning, and pour the seasoning into the cup. Pour the boiled water into the cup. Close the cup. And then wait for 3 minutes, and finally the instant noodle ready to eat. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nasha Sadina Hayu. Today I will show you how to make instant noodle. We need instant noodle, scissors, and boiled water. The first step is open the cup, take the seasoning and cut the seasoning and put the seasoning and put the seasoning and then put the cold water and close the cup. Then wait for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, the instant noodle ready to serve. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adina. Today I will show you how to make instant noodle. We need instant noodle, scissors, and whipped water. The first step is open the cup and take the seasoning. Then add the seasoning and pour the seasoning in the cup. And then pour the whipped water. Next, close the cup and then wait for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, finally the instant noodle is ready to eat. You need instant noodle, serve and pour water. First one, open the instant noodle and put the seasoning and after the seasoning and pour into the cup. After that, pour the cold water in the cup. And then close the cup and wait for 3 minutes. And finally, instant noodle. Assalamualaikum. My name is Iwan. So, how to make the instant noodle? We need the instant noodle, scissors, and whipped cream. First, open the cup. Put the seasoning and start. Put the seasoning into the cup. Next, put the cold water into the cup and pause. Wait for about 3 minutes. And finally, the instant noodle is ready. Thank you so much. My name is Iwan. Today I will show you how to make instant noodle. We need instant noodle, white water, and seasoning. The first step is open the cup. Seasoning, cut and pour into the cup. Pour with water into the cup. Wash and wait for about 3 minutes. Finally, the instant noodle ready to eat. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi instant noodle, scissors, and white water. First, open the cup. Take the seasoning, cut, and pour into the cup. Then pour cold water.